Every time I see this installation, it reminds me of a giant spacecraft or a deep space structure that was built by beings far superior to us. What you are looking at right now is a brand new studio for CNN Prima News. It's a franchise of the oldest 24/7 news channel in the world, you guessed it correctly, CNN, and it was launched just recently in Prague, Czech Republic. Our job was to set up 1.4 kilometers of digital RGBW strip in this studio that served as a decoration around the objects in the studio, and the second task was to build a giant 200 square meter digital horizon. This is the largest TV studio in Central Europe and also only one in Czech and Slovak Republic that has 2 floors.